Listen to me because this is about your time, your peace of mind, and ultimately your legacy. You have spent decades working hard, saving every penny, and planning for this moment, retirement. But now that you're here or standing right on the doorstep, you're realizing that relaxing involves a lot of moving parts. You've got estate documents to organize, maybe a part-time consulting gig, a home renovation, or a complex family vacation to plan. And what happens? You're overwhelmed. You feel like you're losing control because the details are scattered across legal pads, sticky notes, and buried emails. You're asking yourself, what is the purpose of Wrike? And more importantly, why on earth would I need a project management tool at my age? The fear you're feeling is the fear of things slipping through the cracks. It's that nagging feeling at 2 a.m. that you forgot to send a document to your CPA, or that the contractor for your kitchen remodel is 3 weeks behind and you didn't even notice. You worry that instead of enjoying your retirement, you've just traded one set of bosses for a disorganized mess of chores. You want to be a master of your domain, not a slave to your to-do list. Wrike is not just software for office workers. Its purpose is to be the single source of truth for your life. It is a digital command center designed to take the chaos out of complex tasks by putting them into a visual, organized structure. Think of it as a high-powered, interactive filing cabinet that actually talks back to you and tells you what needs to be done today, tomorrow, and next month. When you use Wrike, you aren't just making a list. You are building a roadmap. If you are managing a move to a smaller home, Wrike allows you to see every step, from hiring the movers to transferring the utilities on a single timeline. The purpose is clarity. It eliminates the mental load of trying to remember everything. When you put a task into Wrike, you are giving yourself permission to forget about it until the system reminds you. That is how you reclaim your freedom. Now, I want you to look at how this actually works for you. Wrike uses something called folders and projects. You might have a folder for financial legacy, another for home maintenance, and another for travel 2027. Inside those folders, you break big, scary goals into tiny, manageable steps. The beauty here is the Gantt chart view. I know it sounds like technical jargon, but it's just a fancy way of seeing a calendar that shows how one thing affects another. If the painter doesn't show up on Monday, Wrike automatically shifts every other task down the line, so you immediately see how that impacts your move-in date. No more guessing. No more hoping things stay on track. You have the data. The actionable takeaway for you right now is this: stop trying to manage your retirement in your head. It is too precious for that. Go to Wrike or a similar platform and start with one single project. Maybe it's organizing your in case of emergency digital vault. List every document you need, set a due date for each, and upload the scans directly into the task. The purpose of Wrike is to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. By spending a little time organizing the how, you get to spend a lot more time enjoying the why. You've earned the right to be organized. You've earned the right to be calm. Stand in your truth, get your house in order, and let the technology do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. You can do this.